coming.
I want it. Oh, shit.
Alright, let's go for it. Pull my feet off the ground.
How sexy Shane is. God.
Here we go. One more.
Oh.
2 more.
It's going, it's going.
Oh, fuck me.
Ah.
Down in the barbed wire.
Alright. That part's over.
Maybe I should have just rolled barbed wire.
Which side are you gonna hit?
Fucking sex. Hi.
Hi. Keep getting tangled up with your clothes.
Stop! You can get it just like that, you dumbass.
You what?
You can get that. Get out of here. What the fuck are you doing? Stop! Guys, I'm gonna get the fucking cops called. This is fucking ridiculous, Shirley. Instead of fucking smashing it like that.
It needs to be broke up anyway.
You guys want to hear you guys fucking sound all the way down the road? I heard it.
Thank you.